Good morning, everyone. Today, our class is about the Earth, which is known as the most distinctive and blue planet in our solar system and its satellite. And see what other planets have moons. Okay, we are going straight into the Earth. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. It is the fifth largest planet. Do you ever wonder what exactly the shape of Earth? It is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is described as a geoid. Geoid means a Earth-like shape. Long ago, people thought it was flat like coin, but that wasn't correct. The Earth is 150 million kilometers from the Sun. So the Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. So conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on Earth. The planets that are closer to Sun are too hot to support the life, and the planets away from the Sun are too cold. But the Earth's atmosphere is 15 degrees centigrade, which is ideal to support life. It has water and air. The air has life supporting gases like oxygen. Because of these reasons, the Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. The Earth's uppermost layer is covered with soil, and water is another important resource on the planet's support to life. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its 2/3 surface is covered by water. So, it is called as a blue planet. The Earth has only one satellite. What is satellite? Satellite is an object in space that orbits or circles around a bigger object. And there are two types of satellite: natural satellite and artificial satellite, or human-made satellite. And Moon is our natural satellite. Let's see what is natural satellite. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets moves around the Sun. While a human-made satellite is an artificial body, it is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. Some of the Indian satellites in space are INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. Our Earth has only one satellite, that is the Moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. The Moon is the closest celestial body to our Earth. It is about 384,400 kilometers away from us. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. Is there life on Earth? No. The Moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has mountains, plains, and depressions. Depressions means hollow. It means holes. Because the Moon has no atmosphere, so it gets hit by objects like small rocks that comes from outside. So it has mountains, plains and depressions on surface. So these cast shadows on the moon's surface. Has anyone gone to the moon? Yes. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on 21st July 1969. In all, 24 American astronauts made the trip from the Earth to Moon between 1968 to 1972. No one from India has gone to the moon, only Americans have done this. But India researched and developed its own technology in order to explore moon with Chandrayaan, the moon craft. It was launched by the Indian Space Research Organization in October 2008 and operated until August 2009. Remember, India is still continuing its lunar exploration. Like our Earth, some planets have moons too. Here is a table. Let's take a look and understand. So, today's topic is over. We have some questions. First, Dash is the closest celestial body to our Earth. Why is Earth called a unique planet? Why do we see only one side of the moon always? Best wishes. Thank you everyone.